Welcome to the Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence Webshop User Guide series. In this video, we'll show you how to place an order using a credit card. Let's begin by opening our e-commerce site at shop.hexagonmi.com and logging into your account. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is quick and easy. Check out our registration guide video for step-by-step instructions. Next, browse your interested products by navigating to your desired product category. Here you can see the total number of products in this category. Then you can use our sorting and filtering options to refine your choices. Filters allow you to narrow down your choices by different preferences. For example, if you're looking for a styli for CMM with M3 connection, tip diameter 3 to 4 mm and ruby ball tip, you can apply these filters to see only the relevant products. Or if you have a specific product in mind, simply type in related keywords, such as product ID or product name, and select it from the suggestion list. On the product page, you can view more details with product images, description, and specifications. In case you decide to purchase later, click Add to Wishlist with the heart button. You can also print or save this page as a PDF using the printer icon. To purchase immediately, select Add to Cart and click Checkout to proceed. Next, review your shopping cart. You can export your order in CSV or PDF format for record-keeping purposes. You can also save your shopping cart for later purchase by clicking New Shopping Cart button. Add a cart name and any necessary description as needed. The cart name can only contain numeric and alphabetic characters. Once your cart has been saved, the current shopping cart will be emptied. Open your saved cart by navigating to Saved Carts under My Account, or clicking this button. Select your saved cart. Here, you can restore your cart to continue checking out, or delete, edit, and export it in CSV. Let's restore to continue our purchase. On the checkout page, if you have a valid promotion code, you can enter it here and click Apply. Otherwise, you can skip it. Now, simply click Checkout to proceed to the payment section. We offer payment options via credit card and invoice. For small orders, only credit card payment is available. Then, enter your purchase order number, with a maximum of 15 digits. Next, enter your desired shipping address manually by completing this form. And check this box to save it for future use. Or select Saved Address from your address book. Next, you will see the cost for delivery with UPS. Continuing, if this is your first order, you'll need to provide your card details. From your second order onwards, you can use your saved card. Before clicking Place Order, please make sure to read and check the box agreeing to the terms of sale. Brilliant! You have successfully placed an order using a credit card. Check out our next video to learn how to place an order with invoice payment. Thanks for watching.